You know, insuring your truck is really no different than insuring your car. In many cases, they actually can go right on the same policy together, and in most cases, actually have the same exact coverage. You know, whether it's liability, physical damage. Now, where you can go wrong with the truck is if you use your truck commercially or for business use, which sometimes it just happens naturally by the nature of the beast. You get your personal auto truck. You know, you say your brand new Ford F-250. You work a construction job or some kind of job that requires the use of a truck, and before you know it, you start, carrying heavy materials. Maybe your boss asks you to start towing the machinery to and from certain job sites, and before you know it, you're actually require what they would call a commercial policy for something that you drive your personal truck on. And I've seen, I've seen many people do this over the years. And fortunately, I have a good relationship with many of my clients, so where they call me, tell me how they're using their truck now, and we get them written correctly. In many cases, what you may need is what they call a commercial auto policy. But fortunately, a lot of these companies nowadays, Progressive, Travelers, GMAC, they offer an option on your coverage that it's called business or artisan use, and you may actually be perfectly fine with that coverage option. But how do you know? And the point is, insurance can be tricky. What one company allows you to do, another doesn't, and what one policy allows you to do, another doesn't. So how do you know what you have is really what you need? That's why you need to find a good agent. A good agent, look for somebody that has a ton of companies to choose from. Somebody that's experienced in this field. The reason why you want to find an agent with a lot of companies is to find you the best option, and usually the best option could be the best product at the best price. But if you didn't have all the options available to you, you'll never find that. Find a nice agent to deal with. Life is too short, and if you can't feel comfortable picking up your phone and calling your agent because he's a jerk, or maybe he's just a snob, or maybe he's just really intimidating and he kind of puts off any question you have as it's like it's a dumb question. There is no dumb question in this industry, and you need to make sure you ask your agent every question that you have. But find an agent that has your best interest at heart. Ultimately, you'll be happy you did.